Jai Hind everyone, this is Harshika Saini and today we'll be going to talk on a military exercise, Exercise Trishul, strengthening the tri-services combat readiness of our country. So when we talk about modern warfare victories, it is no longer dependent on any one of the forces, but it is now dependent on how well the three services of our country, that is the Army, the Navy and the Air Force, works together unitedly. So when we talk about the Exercise Trishul, it is a tri-service exercise which includes the Army, the Navy and the Air Force. It is mainly conducted in the western sector of our country, covering the desert part of Rajasthan, coastal areas of Gujarat and the Arabian Sea. And the core motive of this exercise is that how well the three services can plan, communicate and execute as a whole. So when we talk about the Indian Army, the role of Indian Army is to do rapid mobilization and mechanized warfare and the ground assaults, whereas the Indian Air Force focuses on the fighter jets and precise surveillances. Meanwhile, the Indian Navy is focusing on defending the maritime lines and securing the community lines. The key point of this exercise is the use of advanced technologies. The fighter jets, the drones and the cyber warfare, everything is used here. And this is showing that our Indian forces are ready for any of the warfare in modern terms as well as a unity. And it strategically Exercise Trishul reassures that India is completely ready to protect or defend its western sectors and the maritime coasts. Meanwhile, they are prepared for any sort of terrorism, war or domestic threats. So yes, in conclusion, we can say that Exercise Trishul is not only a military drill, but it is the demonstration of the strength of the dependence of our tri-services, and it shows that when required, they can respond precisely, decisively and unitedly. Jai Hind, thank you.